Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been a little MIA lately. We are doing our kitchen remodel and it's got me kind of busy. So I thought I would just pop on here and show you guys my quick and easy morning routine. Right now I'm using my new, it's called Age Lock Lumi Spa, and it's from Nu Skin. I'll post it down below. It's awesome. It's supposed to really help with anti-aging. It helps exfoliate, and I'm loving it so far. My skin feels really soft. It's supposed to make your pores look smaller, so I'm really liking it right now. So if you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos, and especially our kitchen reveal, which will be happening hopefully in the next couple weeks. So let's get into the video. So after I do my face wash, I put on my eye cream, and eye cream is so important, you guys. And then the next thing I'm using is my SPF. I will, like I said, I'll link below all the products so you guys can see what I'm using. But this routine is so quick and easy, under 10 minutes. Now I'm on to my CC cream, and this is from It Cosmetics, and I'm also using my It Cosmetics brush. And I just love this CC cream. It's super light. It's got coverage, but it doesn't feel like you're wearing foundation. I'm loving this one, and it smells good too. And next I'm going in with my brows, and I'm using my Wet n Wild brow powders, and this is a ColourPop brush that I'm using, and I really like it, and it was very inexpensive too. Alright, next I am setting my face with my It Cosmetics. It's like an airbrush finishing powder, and I'm using a Luxie brush. And now I'm moving on to my eyelashes, and I'm using, this is from Essence. I like it, but it kind of brings up a little too much product each time on the wand, so it can get a little clumpy, but I really do like this one. And next, I'm doing a little bronzing with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm using a Real Techniques brush. And now I'm just using a blending eye brush and just putting a little bit of that butter bronzer on my eyes just for a little bit of color. And I'm finishing it with my new E.L.F. lip plumper. I'm really liking. It actually gives a little bit of a tingle. I was surprised. Way to go, E.L.F. And now I'm moving on to this rat's nest of hair. I go to bed with my hair wet, so it gets like a crazy wave going on, and I just don't care for the way it looks, so I'm just going to go in and straighten it, and I'm using my Time Straightener. Oh, and I'm also brushing my hair with my, it's one of the wet dry brushes. I love this thing. You can use it on your hair when it's wet and when it's dry, and I'm really, really liking it. It doesn't hurt, and I use it on my girls' hair too, and it doesn't seem to pull and hurt them. They like to scream when I brush their hair, and when I use this brush, it's not as bad. And my daughter has come into the room, so that's why I'm talking. I'm not talking to myself. She came in to help me. I was surprised I actually got completely done before one of my girls came in. And that is it, you guys. That is my quick and easy under 10-minute look. I feel like I can leave the house looking like this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye!